Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So, in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official here. So, on today's videos, I'm heading outside, taking my sister. It's very early in the morning. Right now, it's 7:30 a.m. I was confirmed on my phone, so that's my local time here. That's my baby over there. But wow, we're gonna move out, man. And guys, I hope everybody you are doing well as Hello Baby Official here. So it's time to go out. Wow, I don't know. Yeah, even the sun has not yet set, guys. Has not yet set. So for this case, I missed one of my bangle, guys. Let me check it out. That's how my house looks like. Dark. Yeah, I find it. This one here. I come with this stuff from all the way from Mombasa. If I miss this, I feel like. Wow. Yeah, this is my bangle. When I see this, I remember my journey from Mombasa to here, or my journey from here to Mombasa, So it's by God's grace, man, So it's time to go out. And yesterday night, it's raining. You can see how things looks like. So guys, wearing my gumboots, it's a good thing. So after that, maybe later I'll come to check to do some cleanliness here, So it's time to go, guys. It's time to go, Make sure, guys, you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please, guys, subscribe, Yeah, there's gumboot there. Sometimes, guys, when I'm in the village here, I normally wear the gumboot. Mostly when it's raining time. So I'm going to meet with my sister right now. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, so that's my sister, guys. You see the outfit for her for today. Hey! Wow. So that's my mama calling me. That's her hairstyle. Unajua kuzima? No. So mama told me I switch off. There's some small light here. Eh? Uko ndani. So guys, that's how my mama house looks like. So yeah, it's to switch that, that's a small stuff. Yeah, that's my sister's bicycle right here. Imagine, guys, without you guys, even today I couldn't have a tank like this, calling a tank, but it's by God's grace. So guys, on these videos, I'm going to take my sister back to school. So today it's on Monday, very early in the morning, and man, we had the birds sing the song from other beautiful trees from that one, and let me tell you one thing, guys. The good thing about birds, when you plant mostly fruits, you can see a lot of birds at your home. So I think in future I'm gonna add more fruits. Right now, we have avocados fruits. I think also we have kales, we have pumpkin. So what we are missing here is pawpaw plantaya, and also mango plantaya, and some strawberry, some kind of fruits, So right now, I'm keep putting my effort to buy more material from my mama house. And actually, guys, today I'm so happy. The woman who rented on the other side, we have the land. Right now they are harvesting maize. So let's see, for the end of this month, if I can get something, is to split those timbers or those trees that you see there, and then it give me enough time, enough time. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour outside as we move. You see, last night it's raining. This water here, we're gonna use it for washing clothes. So it's not advisable you take water direct from the iron sheet. Like that one you see there, it's something else, So the good thing is we take water from the river or from the borehole. You boil it so we can drink. Also from the river you boil it and then we drink. Wow. In the morning here, my mama, she was preparing tea. You can see the gold chalk for the fire. I don't know. You see, guys. And chai? Yeah, I'm asking my sister, did you taking anything? So guys, let me drink. It's hot here. Oh my god. There's a thermos here. Yeah, you see even the fire. It's lighting like crazy. So guys, be with me. This is my cup of tea here. It's very hot. I love it. Natoa baridi. That's what it means. I'm testing out cold with a hot cup of tea. Yeah, I feel so happy. When I wake up in the morning, I found my mama prepared the tea. Yeah. I need to turn off this light. It's gonna maybe affect the rest. Or I push inside. Like that. Wow. Yeah. Subscribe. But guys, I want to say sorry. Yesterday you missed my videos. On Sunday sometime it's a kind of hectic. I feel so tired, but I said, okay, it is what it is. Let me rest. I love it, man. I love it. Life in my countryside, drinking black coffee here or black tea. I don't know, whichever the case. It's depend the country where you are, Other people calling black coffee, other people call black tea, It's depend the place where you are. But in my village here, we call it strong tea. In our vernacular language, it's known as turungi. Turungi. In Swahili, hudurungi is that color right there. Yeah. And the best way we can move forward as a village boy. Yeah. Please, my guy, support me as you can. And I want to say thank you so much for those people who support me in financial way or in the other way. My God bless you. And thank you so much by supporting me, watching my videos every day. At least at the end of the month, I can manage to buy the wheelbarrow spare for the construction. And also, even one bag of cement, man, is not a big deal. Yeah. By watching my ads, watching full length of the videos, that's the best way you can make it. Hello, baby. Change the life from the humble background. This is where I came from, guys, Nothing to be hide. And I'm free like that, Yeah. I'm so happy. Oh, my God. My brother went early to school, but right now I have the voice for him outside. Maybe things might happen for him. I don't know. Nani anakuja tena? Amefanya nini? Oh my God. Yeah, that's my phone. What's happened, bro? Money. Come and say hello to my people. Guys, I'm telling you, I was escorting my sister to school. Right now, this incidents happen. What is wrong with you, bro? Why do you come home? I see you have some books.
I have been sent by the teacher to bring the limb.
Rim
A
paper?
full scap of limb, yeah.
Yeah, we have the rim paper. That's some couple full scap. How much it cost?
It costs 800 shillings.
800?
Yeah.
Guys, that's $8 to $9, I think, over there. So my aim is to escort my sister to school. But right now, I found my brother. Should I take also you to school?
If you can.
I can. I can go and talk with teachers. So all your class teacher, they can give you a chance. I think today's date 13.
Yeah.
I think next week I shall deliver that rim paper. You know, guys. Yeah. If you know, guys, the rim paper. And yeah, it's used for the printing exam, some cards. Let me finish this and then we go. All right? Yeah, but the good thing about my brother, he wake up in the morning around 6 sharp. He was already to go in school. But my sister, around 7 to 8 going. I finish everything, so it's my time to take them to school. Okay, let's go one on one. 20. Class tenda amekutumba. Let's go. I'll talk with him or her. Yeah. Hey guys. All my family depend on me, but it is what it is. Let's go. Yeah, the journey is so long. Pole, 20. If you remember last week, my stuff been sent from school because of money I paid, and then it's remaining the rest. That harvesting maize, guys, here. I'm telling you. You see from other side? Yeah. Harvesting maize, guys. So they are harvesting maize, guys. So I think the end of this month, I'll split those trees and then start preparing the field of building. Yeah. If guys you think that I'm lying, like my brother been chased from school, you see other students, alongside the road. Yeah, yeah, guys, you see the rest of students. And I'm telling you guys, because I'm the firstborn, all my family depend on me. Like me, I decide it's time to support my mom, in terms of taking my young sister and brother to school. Yeah, I can support where I can, So you see other students have been chased from school, wearing the gumboots like this, going to the staff meeting, talking with teachers, but it's not a big deal. Look at that. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Babu. Yeah, they have been chased. Kimbia mfuate pesa. They have been chased money. All rim paper. Ni rim paper mmetumwa?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. No idea on that. Yeah. But these things of being sent from school, it's common, guys, So today it's another story. My brother been like sent out, you know, the rim paper. But it is what it is, guys. I can fight for the all means to make sure my brother and sister went to school, studied in good way, and God also answers our prayer, you know. Wow. Yeah. Guys, I'm happy for my family. I'm telling you. I'm very happy for my family. So let's go and talk with teachers. I see most for my brother's class teacher. I see whether they can allow me for a couple days, and then I'll deliver that rim paper. Yeah. Okay. So I think you are the next month you are going to close your school, right? Next month?
Next month, maybe on 26.
On 26?
Yeah.
Imagine, guys. So right now they have been the teacher have been arranged earlier to bring rim paper for the printing of examination. So when they are going to do those exams, so this is the second term. You know, in Africa here, mostly in our village, like mostly in Kenya, we have 3 terms, you know. So that being said, after 3 months, that's 1 term. After 3 months, that's 1 term. And then after 3 months, that's 1 term, you know. We study close to 9 months, all right?
Yeah.
9 months.
Yeah, 9 months.
9 months, and then we have a national examination for the KCPE and KCSE, you know. Primary, both primary and secondary, you know. So from November, I think they start from the end of October, they finish also the end of November. So it indicates whether you can go to high school, and then if you have money you can start moving, and then if you finish your high school you can go to university. As always, for example, you see my brother, he was qualified to go in university. So because of money here and there, I decided to sell all of my goats that I have, 8 of them, and then I add the money that I was saving. I took my brother to university, and then I think also at the end of maybe August there, they're supposed to go in school, or the starting first week in August or second week, but I'm not sure of that. Yeah. Let me take them back to school so they can enjoy by studying, guys. Yeah. The good thing about me, nothing to be hide at back. No. If I'm showing you the real story from here, it's one, like it's raw and uncut, nothing to be hide at the back. Yeah, you see? It's because the big road are passing here, it's something like that. But at least some kids can pass easily. So the issue about my sister, no issue today, guys. No, I was escorting her, but my brother chipping in with another story. Okay, let's take them. So today, guys, I think I'll shoot this video up to school, going direct to school. Yeah, I was studying there, and 90% of YouTuber study on this school that you see my brother and sister learn today. Yeah, including me. Yeah, and then the rest of YouTuber, if you are watching my video, you have already known. Okay, let's go. But God is good. When I'm alive, when I'm still alive, I said, God, thank you. Because also, guys, I think if my father could be alive, could be take this responsibility. But only well, God have chosen me to be the firstborn of our family, and then taking care of our young sibling that you see here, guys. You know, yeah. I heard other people said, "Hello, baby, why are you alone, taking care of your mama? Where is your father?" I think I've explained last. I think even from January, I was explaining this, you know, and then I show you where my dad buried, you know, like the house for my dad. But other people keep pushing me, "Oh, hello, baby, where is your father?" You know. Yeah, my father is watching me, how I'm taking responsibility, and that's how I'm blessed. I can't complain anymore. So let's go. This one is another story, guys. People have really harvested the maize from this side. You can see.
Even others are harvesting here cassava.
Yeah,
That was me.
I don't want to show them. Let's go. The water have been stuck there. Let's have a cut. I see the young man chasing other kids or students. They have been hiding on that house right there. Yeah. If you have been sent from school, just go direct to your home. Nothing to be hide like in the bush here. And then you spend your day. At the end of the day, you go home. Yeah. That's how the beautiful sun from here rise. Then now heading this way. Right. Oh my God. That's hello, baby. That is me, guys. Every day I'm showing you. When I'm standing and then I'm saying that is me. That is hello, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Whew. When God say yes, nobody can say no. Okay. That. But I don't know whether the cluster will allow me on this case. Let's go and see, guys. Everything will be moving perfect, you know. So right now I didn't have like cash on my pocket. Maybe at the end of this month, yeah, I think I will have the go and talk to them. At the same time, meet other students right now from school. Money is everything, guys. You know, those people's home. Money is everything. Without no money, you can't run anything. Yeah, you see even that house coming in good shape. Wow. Yeah. That's Chef Matiko's engineer's home. You know, he was a nice engineer, calm, and I love him because he was very social to peoples and then talkative. Yeah. We bring other engineers to your home, like try to give you high quotation, and then you feel hectic. But for him, he was very trustful. And I know even my brother Chief Matiko watching this video. Yeah, I'm recommending 100% your engineer. This is his home, guys. Here. Let's go. Toka pikipiki bit. We have the motorcycle here. Hey. This is the local market, like shop here, not market. Yeah. Today, guys, no issue with my sister. So the issue is my brother. And on today's vlog, I was escorting my sister to school. But yeah, my brother chipping in. Let me take them to school, guys. Just over here. If you're late, you hang behind. Ni makorora here. Hey. Oh. Oh. Damn. So guys, right now they are in parade. Today's on Monday. Raising up the flag. Okay. Whew. We Kimbi wende, nenda. Nenda simama kwa wengine huko. They are parade, guys, I think. Baraswaki. Yeah, we just hanging out. When they finish of the parade, and then we go. Okay. Wow. That's how school looks like, you know. Right. So guys, I feel the issues. Oh, baby, I meet my guy here. You good?
Good.
Yes,
morning. Morning, guys.
Morning. Me, I was making some arrangement of my brother inside here.
Oh.
Yeah. Talking with teacher.
Machero hapi kwa sini ngotore nguti. Rona mimi na nachere ngakulia.
Kale wala sema te mkungwa.
Na ntebi.
Semo ya iraini ya by Manchester Call. Guys, let me launch this bike. It's a long time. Era ni mkungu.
Ame kama nambe no ya waigonte mera. Bila shaka. Waronte
mimi. Yani afungwa.
Nani keni mwikwa ape?
Na ntoro tumo dakere mambo kare.
Nani keni mwikwa ape?
Kama ya but he to kuja kimbuli. Okay guys.
Na ko tarno mwikwa bondi.
This is a village dog right here. Okay. Yeah guys, I'm so humble like that, and then you see even we talk with teachers, like class teachers. So they wait until maybe next week when I get my small amounts of money. I pay those money for the repair. You know, that's 850 Kenyan shillings for the repair. And hata hello baby. Kura hata kwa Sara hapa. Na sasa ni venye na mtana kamera. Okay guys, it's very early in the morning, so that's how the market looks like. Super amazing. Ero
Masai.
uko bahari yake. Gamabe do. Ama bingo guys. That's how the market looks like. We are in the morning. Gamabe. Nico.
Broker. Chris.
What tantika stage hara. Anta karo chenge ni guri ndo bacha. Ata. Sasa kote berisimuka bikonge mpira. Nina tangote ngati.
Iga. Ntago ko nani. Ntago ko bacha sasa.
Yeah. Beautiful morning.
Ananyo namba chiri no vinyo bure no ko bacha. Ime kabiche tori gora. Man, ngumo do vinyo mana ati.
Hano, apa sira? Dogo.
Sirari hano geteki. Sirari.
Mama mama debo.
Mama.
Ito bagi. Okay. Kenado. It's morning guys. You know.
Simu za kazi.
Haya mrabadai. Sasa mimi unajua nikija na kamera nashika chapati.
Salama.
Boss kama bosi.
Why you not having the pullover?
I'm not riding. Unaenda mjengo?
Tunakumwagilia maji.
Tango trame mretu. Say introduce.
I was waiting for you to.
Yani ni free shout out to the check out.
No, you must wait.
Guys, you see it?
It's a beautiful
My
morning,
guys
bro.
enjoying
There's no way I can just start talking to your camera without you
Jamani
giving me.
sini kwa pili hawa. Introduce.
Okay, guys. Welcome to Nyabohanse. It's a beautiful morning here. Welcome to Hello Babies channel. My name is Clinton Explorer. We are here. It's a beautiful morning. We want to have breakfast. Then later on, we leave and go to Gakes Construction for today. So, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, Clinton Explorer. But also don't forget to support our boy Hello Baby Official. So it's gonna be a great day. Kindly keep watching the video. We want to have some breakfast here. Then we see how the day goes. Kindly keep watching.
What about me? Should I have one chapati?
We can share this one of mine.
That's yours. Say
They're
hello.
actually two.
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gake, and guys, we're having here the breakfast because we wanna leave for the construction site. So my brother, how's everything?
Everything's good. Yeah.
So for us, we are having here breakfast before we leave for the construction because we're going to do the curing because we built the previous days, so we're gonna do the curing. So stay tuned, guys. Watch the video till the end and subscribe.
Wakati kio maragi.
Yes, what's up guys? Let me put
Guys, you remember this guy?
way. Yeah, so
Since
that,
party ended.
yeah, since party ended, man, I've never come to Nyabohanse, but right now I'm back. So my name is Ken, and this is the face behind Ken Chronicles. The former The Kenedio, guys. If you remember, I am Marwa Big Party. I was The Kenedio, but I decided to change the name because it was kind of difficult, you know, when you say someone go and subscribe to your channel. It was not easy to type. But right now I'm back, guys. Show me love. I'm also a YouTube content creator. I do amazing and authentic vlogs. Thank you so much, my brother Hello Baby, you know, for featuring me, you know, since I was back. Continue supporting our brother here, Hello Baby. Road to 50,000 subscribers.
Amen.
Thank you so much, my bro.
This is yours, bro. No, this is yours. Acha kunishikisha bana. Guys, if you remember my hero in my premiere, don't joke around. You think maybe it's the guy from maybe German is here.
How are you, baby?
Good, bro.
Good morning.
How
How was your night?
So guys, we eating here.
My
How
night
are
is
you?
good, bro.
Yeah, I've seen you are here in the
Kaya
market
mambe hapa.
tunakula mandazi. Well, mama, pero baby kwa bidii yake. So we can Gake. Pero baby ananisumbua. Si akule moja.
Introduce haraka bana tukienda jamani.
Unataka chakula ama unataka introduce? Unipe basi time.
Introduce. Put it down here and then you talk fast. Guys, this morning. Nipe chapati kwa biryani.
Thank you so much. Hello baby.
Shika camera man, nipe
Ya chane pero baby akule. Unataka choke anga sana.
Siwezi kata mimi mbona.
Yeah guys, thank you so much for hosting to our channel. I'm so happy guys. If it's the first time I meet the channel of Hero Baby, you can subscribe, like, and comment. If you come from my Hero Baby, go and check me there, my Africa. Over here, people that are enjoying. And see my name there.
That's my chapati, chopping. Yeah? Kwa hivyo hata mangana? Naitwa Hello Baby on YouTube.
Wewe pepo toka.
I'm a good customer.
Baby ngete.
Niacha tena I'm arrested. Tena to kuma hate mune.
Say yellow.
Okay guys, I'm waiting the food right now. Guys, it's morning here. I'm enjoying the food. Maisha ni matamu. Maisha ni matamu. Maisha ni matamu. Kinyawa achiri kule hano.
Kuna kura sehemu na fayo sehemu kwa na choo. Kama unatoa tafadhali.
Maisha ni matamu.
Si uongo bwana Reno.
Unafungia sehemu.
Tutatafuta neema ikuje hivi.
I'm enjoying.
Maisha ni matamu.
What if this road is moving poo? Look guys, this is crazy. Yeah, I remember this road brings some sand on.
Bring for you the sand of
Yeah, this is Brule's road. It brings stones, balanced sand. Yeah, I remember guys, KDE.
135W.
I remember. Wagwan. Sure. Tango think about warm. Guys, it's time to warm. Yeah, like that. Stand there. After eating the food.
Some exercise.
Wagwan. Right guys. Stop it. Guys, you're around now. Hey. Guys, tricky situation right here. You wait and see. Mucha more. Oh, look at that, guys. What's the guys, remain behind because the road is very slippery at the other side. Alright guys, we left this bike here and I'm just over here at my brother's Gake again. So that's the reason why I wear the gumboots. You see? Wow, let's go guys and see how things go. It's been long, you know. The last day that I left here is the day when he was joining the bricks, you know, building bricks by bricks. So on today's videos, let's go and see what's going on. Wow. Chatwa. Oh, raining, guys. Here you can't survive without gumboot. See here, the stagnant water, and also this place are swampy. So that's the reason why you see even things are growing naturally here. Wow. Oh, that snake. This one? Oh my god. This? This?
Jamaa kona gumboot yako, njia yako sawa. Wewe usiturushie.
Hebu weka tena kwa njia.
Wewe acha ujinga.
This? You see?
Mahiri anatafuta shot.
Uogopi.
Umeona snake?
Ndio inaenda. This? Look. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, this snake, man. This crazy. You see?
You are not afraid of snake, man.
Yeah.
Hello baby bwana.
Hello baby, usinirushie akinaomba.
Look. This crazy. No, come on. This snake, man.
Guys, this is what's going on, man.
Whoa.
It's a snake, a baby snake. This is a baby snake, right?
You see? You want to touch it here.
But it doesn't seem like it's
a
touch
snake,
it
like
here.
a real
No, it's a
snake.
snake,
Eh?
but it's not poisonous.
Yes, this one seems not to be poisonous. You see? Guys, a snake, man.
Hey, you have taken more clips from me, bro. You go, madam, go.
Wewe ni Nigeria ametoka
go.
to leave it. Wewe ni Nigeria ametoka sleep over.
Alright, guys, don't scared, you know. Me, I'm not scared about the snake. Eh? But it is what it is, guys. Eh? Unirusha nikikiroka. Oh! Life in the streets of the village, guys. Hey! We're heading this way. Right, so right now, guys, finally we're just over here. That's anchor for Gake. Actually heading this way. So we need to see the progress of the house. It's been a while, guys. We are. Hey man, I'm shocked. The house is really going taller, you know. And then on these videos I'm gonna advise my brother to adjust a little bit because it's somehow shorter, you know. Yeah, but it's by God's grace, by supporting us, watching the videos every day. We managed to do this, guys. We managed to do this. We managed to do this right here. Peace and love, guys. You know. Hey, it's been long. It's been long. It's been long, guys. It's been long. Wow. But it's by God's grace. By God's grace, man. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm happy for Gake, guys. What he did. Also anyone can do, you know. But we build Africa, guys, step by step, bricks by bricks, you know. Like for example, when you see Gake have moved some few steps, guys, you know. Alright, guys, so right now I'm heading home. That's how Nyabohanse looks like. So here we have Moshi Medical. Mnanyonya wifi. Nani amepatia password ya Madibu? Lakini tumieni bana. So there's a hospital here, within here, guys. Wow. Let's go. At the back here we have a nice shop. You can see, guys. Maybe when I finish building my house, I will open a small business like this at home there. Yeah, you can see, guys. Maybe to have a shop and also posho mill in our village. And on this opposite side we have the church. Wow. Let's go back home, guys. You know, so it's been have been a while, guys. And then I'm trying to pass here on these beautiful streets of Nyabohanse that you see here. Wow, chicken are looking something to eat there. Wow, guys. Let's go. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribe on this YouTube platform. Show me some love, guys. You know, love is for free. Yeah, you can share my videos to your friend. Come together, say let's support Hello Baby Official in a good way. And the good thing about me, I'm showing you everyday good videos. That is me. That's Hello Baby, you know. Wow. So let's go. Let's go, guys. You know, we have some rental home here. And then next here, also there's a church, Word of Faith, right here. Right. So we say thank you, everybody who's supporting me. Thank you a million times. And my God bless you. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. Wow. Yeah, let's go. Those are cowpeas plantation, you know. We're still moving. You can see even here. And also I think this is the another land for maybe other guy, but he didn't build. Showing you Nyabohanse village to the world. And also, guys, if you remember my previous video, I was creating within here. So that's Moi Nyabohanse Girls School. They were being supportive. A new bus. Wow. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And on this side here also we have a guest house or guest room. If maybe somebody just landed in our village and then you need to have a place you can sleep, you can Google Emalia guest house. Wow. We go. Guys, you can't imagine, since my life have been transformed. I was working on this school here as a handman, especially in construction, close to 1.5 years. You know. Let's go. There's an Airtel is supporters or loot, I don't know, or satellites. See, right, let's go this way. Today it's a kind of gloomy day. You can see from a further distance. Moving on. Which guy? Yeah, this Moi Nyabohanse, guys. Moi Nyabohanse Girls School is a high school. Yeah, I'm showing you. It's a girls school. Wow. Let's move, guys. Also have Safaricom satellite here. I don't know, it's a booster, but the way you take it, guys. See? So I'm changing another direction. I'm heading this way and then go home. Wow. As we continue these videos, I have been left out of my friends at Nyabohanse because most of them, they're living on this small town here. But me, I'm going deeply to the village. Yeah, life in my countryside, not what we expected. A nice gates. Yeah, people are building, man, for sure. people are rebuilding. Okay, I'm checking the time. It's around 11:41. That is me, guys, on the screen right there. That is me. Yeah, let's go. Napier grass right here. It tells you people have some cows, you know. Yeah, farming is our backbone, guys. 100%. You just, guys, imagine, from a handman right now, I'm trying to do things by my own pace, no competition at all. And in fact, I love the way I keep moving some steps, you know. So without no competition, I can do things slowly, you know. And then things will be taking time. I'll be reaching there. I'll be reaching my target. Yeah. Oh, and also this could have some memory. During when I was working there as a handman, me and Gake, our engineer gets paid, run with our money, but we're still alive. We're still pushing, you know. We're still pushing ourselves. That's this mellow plantation. Let's go. Yeah, for our entire village. You see this bird here? It's crazy. It's flew up. Wow. Wow, guys. Also, I'm so speechless. Like, I'm totally confused. I don't know how long of this video will take, but I will upload the way it is, you know. Yeah, people building guavas, you know. Yeah. Me, what I believe, guys, money is everything. Money is everything. Without money, you're somebody else. Because if you have money and then you use your money wisely, so everything will be moving perfect in this life. For example, I myself, when I get money, I'm trying to push myself, you know, buying material slowly. At the end of the month, at least I do something. So I have two options. Should I go that way or this way? No. Here, I'm totally confused. When I go this way, I'll go home. When I go that way, I'll go home. So here, no idea. Let me check first. If you have a shortcut here, I'll go. If there's no shortcut, I'll say But let's check it. Check it out. Yeah. Also, it's been a long time, guys, without passing here. I don't know. I'm trying to fix this here to be here, but they try to come here and there. Rental apartments right there, you know. Per month you pay $100. Those rental house that you see, and also it has an underground, you know. That's the maize corn plantation. You can see, guys. Yeah. Napier grass. Wow. And also the guy of that rental house, they're working at United States of America in US. Let's go, guys. Yeah, if you're working in the United States and then you earn good money, you come to Africa, you start building, man. You start building. Yeah. See this kind of fence here, natural fence. Wow. So my work is to pass on bush here as I go home. Hey. That's Hello Baby. Sometimes, guys, it's crazy passing inside here. Yeah, that's the shortcut that we have, you know. Wow. My good people, I feel good when I'm back, you know. And when I'm reaching back home, I'll show you the lady who planted the maize at the back of our home. So today they officially start harvesting that maize. So probably when I get money anytime, I'll split those timbers like crazy and then arranging them. So the next thing the remaining is to start levelizing the field for the building of my house, you know. Yeah, if guys you wanna feed for free, to support even 1 bag of cement, 1 road for the sand, you know, I'm free. You can reach me out and then you support me to move forward. Yeah. So that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, and at least you watch my videos, full length of my videos, and then don't skip ads. That's the best way we can support me, and through your support, at least at the end of the month, I do something which are very recommendable. Wow. Also here I was working as a handman. When I passed some people's home, mostly where I was working as a handman, I will never regret, because that's how life starts from. And I'm thinking, guys, also to my mom's construction, I will be the part of our handman, you know, working there, you know, at a good time. Yeah. Oh. Heading this way, we go straight. Yeah. Life in the village. This is a finger millet here. They've already harvested. You know, all of them going up to that way. Whew. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, it's good to walk, making an exercise. That's the way of making an exercise, guys. You know. The best is here to come, you know. Watch the videos to the end, leave the sweet comments, and remember, all the way positive vibe win. And also, guys, please check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. I really appreciate. So though her phone gets some breakdown or breakage, so sometimes to shoot the videos is hectic, and sharing the videos, like sharing one phone maybe 3 people, it's more hectic. So maybe that's the reason why you didn't see her uploading the video, you know. But when she'll be back on these streets, I'll be happy. Yeah, there's one of amongst of the people that I'm trying to mentor her. Although I have been featuring many people on my videos, yeah, me, I didn't have bad intention, guys. As long as my heart feel free to help each other, I do so, you know. They're really supporting me, guys, with one free heart. Also, I support people in my community here, Yeah. Whew. Yeah. I think I'll go there. I take my bike and I go, because right now no more driving of the bike. Maybe we shall meet on the next video. Who knows? Okay, guys. So after this, I think I'll take my bike. I run to my friend's land. I want to check how things go there, because yesterday I was not around and I didn't manage to shoot the video because it was on Sunday. Yeah. That's how we pass here. Yeah, everything is super green, you know. You can see both sides, super green, and I love that. 100% guys, I love green nature, green environment. And also other plants share the same species, things like that. Yeah. Whew. That's people's home. You can see the gate. I'm heading this way, not also that way, guys. That's the maize corn growing well right here. Yeah, sometimes guys, it's good to adventure our village. And also there's some places where you didn't see on TV, and maybe I'm trying to manage to show you on TV. Yeah. This video starts from Nyabohanse, it will end up at home, you know. Hey, hey, hey. There's a cow, there's a ground, I think there's a piece right here, small plantation. You heard the cock from a neighbor. It's still morning, so some few hours we're gonna approach noon time. Oh. Yeah, right now I'm more happy because things which I was waiting for, mostly it's have already happened, you know. So anytime I want to start cutting those trees down, it will fall to my brother's place, you know. Like, I don't want problem, you know. So in our village here, the good thing or bad thing, if you cut maybe something like trees falling to people's maize or anything, they will start, oh, bring chaos in our village. No, me, I don't want to engage on that scenario. I just be neutral. Yeah, walking by my own pace, you know, silently. Yeah. And I'm telling you these things for the several time. The more you plant earlier, the more you harvest early. The more you plant late, the more you harvest late. Like for us, we harvest earlier. You see, even these maize have been cutting into groups. So for this case, I'm so happy. I see from a distance people pushing the maize going back. No. So even the guy with power saw, I want to talk with him early. So we came to talk with our own price, with our local price. We cut those trees into timber form, and then I store those timber. Yeah, this I'm calling home. Super green. Hey, you heard the cow from a distance saying more. Yeah, they have already harvested maize. You see from a distance, guys. So at this case, I'm free doing my own thing. Yeah. I see my African mom from a distance. Yeah, this I'm calling home for my new subscriber, and this is what material I bought here. Slowly, you know, slowly. We have sand, we have bricks. Mama, say hello from a distance. Hey! Oh, boy, I'm a tongue to talk about it. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Sasa wamevuna mahindi. Sasa tunaweza kata miti ianguke. Kana ta kumke chimbire cho akuri chimbare utore kora na kore itabu hekore. Kwa hivyo alright guys, it's time to end my video by saying thank you so much. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos, so let me know on these videos what do you think. Yeah, this is I'm calling home. We're so blessed, man. We're so blessed. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart, guys. Let's meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye bye.